Good morning, my name is Michael Herf with Arizona Roofers, here for James Young, conducting a repair test. We are James Young's chosen contractor for the job. I will be removing this shingle right here with obvious wind damage. I'll be replacing it with this architectural gray as well. To remove it, I'll have to unfasten the nails from this shingle and this one above it to get it correctly removed and then reinstall it with the new one. All right, here we go. Shingles are really tough, they're really brittle, they're solid, very hard. All right. Shingles installed. There was damage that was caused during the install. It's cracked. As you can see right here, cracking on this shingle, cracked right here. This tab's about to separate. Same thing with this one, cracked right here. As you can see, just from me trying to get the nail in there. There. Cracking over here. This one cracked at the seam up here. So along this area, you can see the bend. It cracked right here at the where you fasten the nails in. So I mean, with this, I mean, if you try to repair any other areas, you will cause damage to the shingles around it, which then in turn you'd have to replace those, and then so on and so forth. It's like a domino effect. So I mean, with this, I'd say it's a failed repair test, being as you will damage the shingles around the shingle you're trying to repair anywhere else on the roof. So again, with that failed repair test, these shingles are just really old and stiff, so there's no way you can get around cracking them or anything. So all right, failed repair test. Thank you for your time.